125 million pesos, do they look like that?
Your Honor.
Counsel?
Before the prosecution proceeds with the question, may we just ask as to the source of the photo and how it was generated and produced?
Yes, counsel. Either it is distorted because the 1,000 peso bills look bigger.
Yeah, Your Honor.
Is this AI? Your
I mean,
Honor?
Yes, of course. That is simulated.
Okay.
Is this
we don't,
AI?
wait. Because we don't have 125 million pesos in cold cash. So we had to resort to technology.
May we just interpose an objection as regards presenting the witness those props, Your Honor, in as much as the parties are uncertain, the defense is uncertain as to how is that an accurate representation of what the prosecution claims to be, Your Honor.
I will ask that question, Your Honor, please.
Before I rule on the objection, yes, counsel, ask your question. And kindly don't cover Miss Gina.
By what time did you go to Land Bank on December 20, 2022?
Mga around 2 to 2:30 nakaabot dito, Your Honor.
2 to 2:30, hindi 3 p.m.
Mga ganyan na, Your Honor.
Your Honor, witness already answered.
Wait, I'm just clarifying because that's what he said in the hearing. Anyway, so it's 2:30, and then when confronted with another option, 3 p.m., yung sagot mo, mga ganyan. So it includes 3 p.m. Tama po ba?
Basta naabot ko dito, Your Honor, mga 2 to 2:30. Ana, Your Honor.
All right. Now, by the time you arrived at the bank on December 20, 2022, yung 125 million pesos in cash nakahanda na, di po ba, for your withdrawal?
Sa pagkaalam ko, nakahanda na kasi
Yes.
tumawag po ang aming cash division, Your Honor, na kunin ko na ang cheque at pwede na ding ipa-encash sa bangko.
Yes. Ibig sabihin, at least, na-notify ng opisina nyo yung land bank a day before December 20, 2022 na mag-i-encash kayo ng ganung kahalaking halaga. 125 million pesos sa araw na yan, December 20, 2022. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your
Tama
Honor.
po. Now, meaning, yung land bank na-notify na ihanda yung 125 million pesos bago pa man maaprubahan ang disbursement voucher, bago pa man maihanda, mapirmahan, tsaka ma-release ang cheque sa inyo.
Objection, Your Honor, misleading. There's no testimony as regards that.
Objection is sustained, counsel. There's no basis for that yet.
I mean, can I ask what's the basis for them so I can
The court
respond?
already ruled.
The ground for
Snobbish.
objection,
I'm asking
counsel,
you,
is
what's
misleading.
the-
The basis for that question has not yet been laid. The witness did not say anything about informing the bank before the voucher or checks were prepared.
Okay, anyways, Your Honor, please, we'll move to the next point. Voucher was signed, prepared, check was signed, prepared, released to you on the same day. So, hindi ba iyon? Pag-fast track. Pag-fast track na pag-i-encash ng 125 million pesos on the same day.
Objection, Your Honor. Vague and argumentative.
Overruled. Witness may answer. Court would like to know her answer.
Hindi ba minadali yung pagdi-disperse ng disbursement voucher, pag-prepare para ng cheque, pag-i-encash on the same day, 125 million pesos? Yes or no?
Dumaan po siya sa regular na proseso namin sa office, Your Honor.
Being vague again. Now, as the SDO and Project Accountable Officer, hindi po ba na yung pagmamadaling yan, ikaw yung nag-utos niyan? Tama po ba?
Hindi po ako nag-utos, Your Honor.
Okay. Sino ang nag-utos sa inyo?
Basta gi-process po yun, Your Honor, on a regular processing po, Your
Oo.
Honor.
Ma'am, I think I have to repeat the question, Your Honor, because she did not answer the question. Minadali, may nag-utos. When asked, sino nag-utos, sabi mo, hindi ikaw. I will ask this question again. Yung publiko are very much waiting for an answer. Sino ang nag-utos ng pagmamadali, ng pag-encash, ng checking yan, 125 million sa araw na yan?
Objection,
Wala
Your
po,
Honor.
Your Honor.
Misleading.
Objection is sustained again,
Okay,
counsel.
now.
There is no basis. The pagmamadali did not come from the witness, counsel. It came from your question. She
Your Honor,
said
please.
it went through the regular process of their office. Whether the
Yes.
regular process of their office is that fast or whatever, it's up
Okay.
to her.
Yes, Your Honor, please. I'll now go to the next points. Now, let's go back to the time you encashed 125 million pesos. Pagkatapos ma-verify ng bank teller yung identification at saka pagkatapos i-approve yung pag-i-encash ng checking iyan, di po ba you were instructed na magpunta sa backroom ng bangko?
Objection, Your Honor. Misleading, Your Honor. The witness hasn't testified yet. The
I'm asking for
teller
confirmation.
has
It
verified.
may be leading, but it's okay to ask leading questions because this was testified to by another
It's
witness from Land
misleading.
Bank that she
Don't
went to
argue
the
with
back room.
judge.
Just to clarify, Your Honor,
Yes.
the objection is grounded on that it is misleading, Your Honor, because there's no testimony yet that the any bank teller verified, Your Honor. There's no testimony yet from the witness, Your Honor.
No testimony. He is cross-examining. Rather, he is asking the witness on the basis of a testimony given before the court counsel by a land bank official that Gina and, if I recall correctly, Colonel Lachiga and or Tonyo went to the back room of the bank. And the bank officer, in fact, if I remember correctly, testified that there was a door leading to the
Exit.
to another exit.
Yes,
I
Your Honor.
presume.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor.
I think
That
there's a
pertains to
ruling.
DepEd counsel.
Your Honor.
Yes.
That may be the case, Your Honor, but it hasn't yet testified by the witness. So, with due respect to the prosecution, the proper basis must be laid, Your Honor.
It already ruled upon
Modify
the-
for this one, counsel.
Okay.
I
I
stand
will-
corrected with respect to the backdoor testimony that it connected to DepEd. I distinctly remember that, not with the OVP. I stand corrected.
Backroom, Your Honor. I'm asking for the backroom. Now, isn't it? Isn't it? Okay? In that afternoon, you were instructed to the backroom of the bank. Di po ba?
Ano po yun? Backroom,
Backroom, oo.
bankroom.
Backroom po, backroom.
Sorry po, sir, ha?
It's okay.
Sorry po.
Attorney Ligudan,
Backroom.
kwarto sa likod o banyo?
Kwarto sa likod.
Kwarto sa...
Wala
backroom.
pong kwarto sa likod, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, now. The question is simple. Saan nyo nakita yung 125 million pesos na in-encash nyo sa araw na iyon sa loob ng bangko?
Doon po sa may likod ng teller, Your Honor.
Yan. Okay, now. Sa likod
Open
ng...
space po,
Okay. Sa likod ng
teller.
teller. Now, ma'am, can you describe for us, to give us a mental picture, how big the pile of 125 million pesos in cold cash is? Ipa-describe.
Sorry, sir, ha? Pero dili kayo ko well-versed sa mga
Well-versed.
measurement. Pero
We will help you.
nakasulod siya sa... Nakalagay siya sa box.
Okay.
ah,
Yeah, okay.
na nakabandal tag 1
One
million ang isa ka bandal nga nakaputos, nakabalot og cellophane na silyo pa, silyado pa. Tama po.
Sinasabi mo, ma'am, na hindi ka well-versed sa measurement. Tama po ba? Di ba? Now, I will show you a simulated representation of 125 million pesos. Sinabi mo 1,000 peso bill, di ba? Show that to the screen, please.
I'm sorry.
You tell the public, ma'am, if yung nakita mong 125 million pesos in cold cash.
Your Honor,
Wait. Not done.
Counsel, to finish the question,
Okay.
Attorney
Mhm.
Bacuel.
Now, can you please confirm if the cold cash you saw 125 million pesos, do they look like that?
Your Honor.
Counsel,
Before the prosecution proceeds with the question, may we just ask as to the source of the photo and how it was generated and produced?
yes, Counsel, either it is distorted because the 1,000 peso bills look bigger.
Yeah, Your Honor.
Is this AI? Your
mean,
Honor?
Yes, of course. That is simulated.
Okay.
Is this
we don't,
AI?
wait. Because we don't have 125 million pesos in cold cash. So we had to resort to technology.
Is that, Your Honor,
Um,
artificial intelligence? Is this AI?
Yes.
Generated?
Oh.
Yes.
Counsels, if you will allow the presiding officer. Ma'am
Oh.
Gina, sabi niyo nakalagay po sa kahon, tigi 1,000 bundle. Ilang kahon po?
Dalawa, Your Honor.
Gaano kalaki po yung kahon? Gamitin niyo po yung kamay niyo. Gaano kataas po? Gaano kataas? Gaano kataas po? Yung kamay niyo po sa baba, pakipat yan para makita po namin. Ganyan kataas at ganito kalapad. Kasing lapad po ng witness stand. 125 million po yan. Dalawang kahong ganyan.
Opo, Your Honor.
Binilang niyo po ba? Tinanggal niyo po ba mula sa kahon o hindi na?
Tinanggal po sa kahon, Your Honor.
Pagkatanggal niyo sa kahon, binalik niyo ba sa kahon?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Saan niyo na nilagay?
Nilagay ko po sa aking 4 na bag.
Ito po yung duffel bag.
Parang traveling bag po, Your Honor, na oblong.
Traveling bag, 4 pong gano'n.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
The procedure order.
Your witness, counsel.
Sinabi mo, ma'am, na yung 125 million pesos nakabundle into 1,000 peso bills. Tapos isa kang bundle is 1 million pesos. Again, para sa ating mga kababayan na hindi pa nakakita, how does a 1 million pile is?
Counsel, is that an actual thing again or a reproduction?
Your Honor,
Yes, while you're showing the witness, Attorney Bakel.
may we just interpose an objection as regards presenting the witness those props, Your Honor, in as much as the parties are uncertain, the defense is uncertain as to how is that an accurate representation of what the prosecution claims to be, Your Honor.
I will ask that question, Your Honor, please.
Before I rule on the objection, yes, counsel, ask your question. And kindly don't cover Miss Gina.
I'm so sorry. Ma'am, sinabi mo yung 125 billion pesos nakapile by 1 million peso each. Tama po ba?
Opo.
And then, yung bills ginamit is 1,000. Tama po ba? Sinabi mo hindi ka well-versed sa measurement. Yung sabi mo, di ba? Kaya nga, ito yung simulated 10 bundles. The size is similar to 1,000 peso bills. Ma'am, yung 1 milyon, pwede niyo pong hawakan if you want. If you want lang, ha? Ay, lagi dagan, ma'am, ha? Now, yung 1 million pesos, kamukha ba ng isang bundle na ito?
Your Honor.
Wait.
Um,
Sabi-
Is that your question, Attorney
Yes.
Gutan? Yes, Attorney Bakel.
Your Honor, we manifest that upon the examination of assisting counsel, these appear to be just blue-colored lengthwise papers wrapped in plastic with 10 bundles each. How is this an accurate representation of the size of
Can I
whatever
respond
the
to that?
prosecution claims to be, Your Honor? They are yet
Well-
to lay the proper basis as regards this, Your
Counsel
Honor.
claims it's a mere simulation.
Yes.
If
Alright.
that is an objection, counsel, I will have to overrule the objection. Witness will please answer. Ma'am, parang ganyan po ba yung bundle ng tig 1,000 winidraw ninyo?
Your Honor, may I know po kung ito po ay is this 100,000?
Yes.
This one? Is this
Ma'am,
100,000?
I think we did
Sa
not-
pagkakaalala niyo po, kung tagi 1,000 po yan,
Yes.
10 bundle ng tagi 1,000 na ang kabuuan ay 1,000,000 sa isang balot ng plastic. Ganyan po ba yung itsura ng inyong winidraw? Yung bundle po yung bundle.
Basta nakabalot lang po siya ng silupin, Your Honor, tapos binilang po namin.
Ma'am, when you say cellophane, plastic.
Plastic.
Ito, Your Honor.
Kaya nga, so ganyan po yung size.
Oo, nakasilyo po, Your Honor.
Bagong pera po ba? Lumang pera?
Bagong pera po, Your Honor.
Okay, so mga ganyan nga po yung size. Yun lang ang tinatanong sa inyo ni Attorney Ligutan. Huwag natin pag-usapan yung bigat, yung hugis.
We'll go into the weight later.
Halos ganyan po ba?
Ganito po, Your Honor. Basta nakabalot po siya ng silupin.
Ma'am, kayo naman. Ay, makita niyo naman kung
Parang
halos
ganito
parehas
po.
Para halos parehas po ba? Yun lang ganun kasimple yung tanong.
May similarity gamay, Your Honor.
Okay.
Kag may manggod siya. Lapad-lapad man ang kwarta.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Now, Madam Witness. Ilan yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 125 of these bundles, correct? Yung nakita nyo sa hapon na iyon, December 20, 2022. Tama po ba?
Unsa?
Yun yung nakita nyo sa
Yeah.
bangko na in-encash ng Office of the Vice President. Cash, cold cash. Sa hapon na yun. Tama po ba?
Ano po? 125 million po to, Your Honor, ang nakita nako. Among giihap.
Yes.
Gibilang po namin, Your Honor.
Yeah, 125.
Your
And then-
Honor.
Just to clarify, Gina, before Attorney Bakel, before I recognize you, bundle count lang po ang ginawa niyo.
Bundle count po, Your
Hindi niyo
Honor.
na po binuksan yung cellophane na sinasabi niyo, yung plastic, binilang niyo na lang po, 125 yung ganun.
Hindi na po, Your Honor. Nakasilyo po kasi siya, Your Honor.
So binilang niyo na nga lang po, 125 na ganun.
Opo, Your Honor.
Hindi na isa-isa. Hindi niyo na binilang isa-isa yung bill. Yung tigi 1,000.
Dili natin
Hindi na po.
Hindi
Okay.
na.
Attorney Bakel, yes. What is your comment or objection?
Your Honor, may we respectfully ask if the props could already be removed, Your Honor, as it's not necessary for the testimony of the witness.
It is, Your Honor. It is.
Are
is
you
very
done
much.
yet with that, with your
Not yet, Your
simulation,
Honor.
counsel?
Not yet. Not yet.
Okay.
Now,
Wind it up.
yes. Now, I'm sure, Madam Witness, with your figure, kanang imong kadakon sa lawas, ma'am, you would not be able to bring yung kadami-daming 125 million pesos in cold cash na iyan. Tama po ba?
Tama po.
Now, who were with you in the bank yung moment na iyan?
Your Honor, ibig sabihin pa kung sinong kasama ko pagpunta sa bangko.
Yung nasa bangko na, sa loob ng bangko, kaharap yung 125 million pesos in cold cash. Sino yung kasama mo from the Office of the Vice President kung meron man?
Your Honor, before the
Yes,
witness
Attorney
may
Bakel.
answer, Your Honor, the question of the prosecution is totally unrelated to the use of the props, Your Honor.
Your Honor,
We will
I
just
am
request,
going
Your Honor.
there.
I'm still not finished. May we just the defense respectfully requests, Your Honor, that these be removed until the relevant question is interposed, considering
So we
that the witness has the right to be respected as well in the
Wait.
proceedings, Your
I
Honor.
think I
Offense
see,
to that.
Attorney Bakel, I think the court sees well, Attorney Legutan is getting to, get to it, Attorney Legutan.
Yes. Okay,
Miss
now,
Gina, may kasama po ba kayong ibang tao mula sa OVP nung pinikap niyo yung pera?
Meron po, Your Honor.
Sino po?
Si Asik Ortonio po, Your Honor.
Okay,
Okay.
Attorney Legutan, your witness.
okay now, walang membro ng VP-SPG, okay, yung kasama nyo, yung Vice Presidential Special Protection Group, kasama nyo sa loob ng bangkong iyan. Tama po ba?
Wala, Your Honor, pero ang aming driver po ay member po ng BPSPG.
Yes, ma'am. Now, even with such large amount of money, hindi nyo naisipan na mag-request ng isang or maraming escort na sasama sa inyo sa bangko tsaka lalabas with those bills. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor, argumentative.
Your Honor,
Overruled, counsel. Witness will answer.
Ang gisama ko po, Your Honor, nakisuyo po ako, nasamahan po ako ni Asik Ortonio.
Ortonio lang.
Nakiusap ka, nasamahan ka ni Asik Ortonio.
Yes,
Okay
Your Honor.
How did you bring out of the bank yun yung that 125 million pesos?
Your Honor, po di ulitin ang question.
Okay, paano nyo inilabas ng bangko yung 125 million pesos na iyan?
May tumulong po sa akin, Your Honor.
Oh. Okay now, sino yung tumulong sa inyo?
Yung security
Okay
ng
na.
land bank po, Your Honor.
This is the question now. Okay. Yung 125 million pesos na iyan, did you put it into bags or you brought them out one by one?
Nailagay po yun sa 4 na bag, Your Honor.
4 na bag. So, hindi po hand carry lang yung bills na yan.
Hindi, Your
Okay, so
Honor.
now we will give in to what the defense wants, Your Honor, please. Having been satisfied that this person cannot bring out of the bank using her own 2 hands these bills, no, we can now. Attorney J,
Assisting
you
counsel.
may now remove.
Proceed, counsel.
Okay, now, you said you put them sa mga traveling bags. Ilang bags? 4 po, di ba?
4, Your Honor.
Can you describe to us yung size ng mga traveling bags na ito?
Ganito, Your Honor.
Ganyan.
Paoblong.
Okay, now. Okay, paublong. I will show you now representation of 125 million pesos inside 4 traveling bags. Ito yung tanong now. Okay. 4 traveling bags with bills, 1,000 peso bills inside them. Yung hapon na yun, ma'am, maalala nyo ba, Miss Gina F. Acosta, kung yung na-withdraw nyo na 125 million pesos na isinilid nyo sa 4 traveling bags, do they look like this?
Before you answer,
big flash on
Gina,
screen.
counsel for respondent.
Your Honor, we interpose the same objection as regards the use of AI-generated imagery, Your Honor, without laying the proper basis as to how it accurately represents what the prosecution claims to be, Your Honor.
No, it's-
It has no basis, Your Honor.
The
and-
court will simply note the objection of counsel, and counsel, the court will also take note of your continuing objection with respect to the use of AI-generated representations.
Yeah.
of what he is asking the witness about.
Mhm.
If it shows closely or not, what bag she used to bring out the 125 million.
Opo.
With your permission, counsel, court will note your continuing objection, the use of AI representations.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you so much.
Counsel will please, witness will please answer, Ma'am Gina. Parang ganyan po ba yung 4 na bag na pinaglagyan nyo?
Hindi ganyan, Your Honor, kasi ang opening niyan is round.
Opo.
Ang
Yun
sa,
po.
Ang sa akin, ang dinala ko po na bag is pag ganun po ang zipper.
Buo, pahaba. Yung kabuuan ng bag. Okay, number 1, yun ang isang pagkakaiba. Kulay,
Kulay black.
pareho. At 4 na bag, kumasya yung 125.
4 po na bag, Your Honor.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Ma'am, in putting the bills inside the bag, okay, sino ba yung tumulong sa paglalagay ng mga bills, yung 1,000 peso bills, sa mga bags na ito? Sino yung gumawa niyan?
Ako po, Your Honor, ang naglagay ng mga pera sa bag.
Alright. May membro ba ng VPSPG na tumulong sa iyo sa paglalagay ng mga bills na yan sa bag?
Wala, Your Honor.
Then, how long did it take for you to put all the 125 million pesos into the bags?
Hindi ko maalala, Your Honor.
Maaalala niyo po ba, kasi sa kayo naglagay doon, maaalala niyo po ba gaano ba kabigat yung isang bag containing piles of 1,000 peso bills piled into 1 million each?
Basta mabigat po, Your
Mabigat.
Honor.
What about 30 kilograms per bag? Kung maalala mo.
Di ko exactly maalala, Your Honor.
Alright. Ikaw ba ay nagkarga ng isa sa mga 4 bags na ito?
Wala, Your Honor.
Oh, so sino yung nagkarga?
Bali, ganito po. Yung kung ang pera ay nandiyon na sa lahat na nailagay na po sa 4 na bag. Sa dihang on a while na ilabas ko na po, Your Honor, tumulong po sa akin ang 2 security guard, Your Honor. Ginano nila, Your Honor, papunta sa entrance ng bangko kung saan naghintay po ang aming sasakyan, Your Honor. Tapos ako, Your Honor, nagtanaw sa 2 ka security, Your Honor.
Alright. Now, what about Libel Ortonio? Ano ba yung ginawa niya kung meron man sa paglalabas ng 4 bags containing 125 million pesos in cold cash? May naitulong ba si Ginoong Libel Ortonio?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala. Again, walang escorts, no request for escort. Di po ba?
Wala, pero ang amo ang driver, Your Honor, is a member of BPSPG.
Isang driver.
2, Your Honor.
2
2
drivers. Okay. Aside from these 2 drivers, yung tanong ko is, aside from the 2 drivers, walang ibang membro ng VPSPG.
Asked and answered, Your Honor.
Ask and answer,
Okay.
counsel.
What time did you leave the bank?
Ano, Your Honor?
Anong oras kayo lumabas ng bangko?
Di ko exactly maalala, Your Honor.
Mhm. Hindi mo maalala. Now, galing sa trolley, di ba? Papunta ng mga sasakyan. Okay? Sino yung nag-transfer ng mga bags na yan?
Misleading, Your Honor. There's no testimony as to the trolley.
I
or-
did hear trolley as
Okay.
well,
I
counsel.
will reform, Your Honor. Now, sino ba yung nag-transfer galing sa bangko, papuntan sa sasakyan, okay, ng 4 bags na yan?
Asked and answered, Your Honor.
Attorney Gina, with the indulgence of counsels, sabi niyo wala kayong binuhat sa 4 na bag. Tama po?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala
Kadili
rin
ko
binuhat
kadaong.
wala rin binuhat si Ginoong Ortonio sa 4 na bag.
Wala sab, Your Honor.
Ang nagbuhat, dalawang security guard ng bangko.
Sila po ang tumulong sila, Your Honor.
Tig dalawang bag ang binuhat nila o may trolley silang ginamit?
Di kayo ko ka-remember kung nagamit sila og trolley, Your Honor. Ang ma-remember ko, Your Honor, gidrag nila ang duha ka bag. Tapos,
They drug-
Dalawang bag kada guard.
opo, Your Honor.
Mhm.
Isahang labasan yung apat na bag.
Sabay po sila, Your Honor, at nandun po ako, Your Honor, nagsunod-sunod sa ila, nagtanaw, Your
Okay.
Honor.
Okay. Your
Alright.
witness, counsel.
Now, so paano nyo transfer, dinala yung 4 bags na yan galing Land Bank Shaw Boulevard papunta sa pinuntahan nyo after that?
Gisakay.
Sinakay sa
Amo ang service, Your Honor.
service. Pag sinabing service, ibig yung sabihin, sasakyan.
Opo.
Ilang sasakyan kung meron man?
Dalawa, Your Honor.
Kaninong sasakyan yung pinagsakyan ng perang iyan?
Sa OBP, Your Honor.
OVP. Sumakay ka ba sa similar sa parehong sasakyan together with Lemuel Ortonio?
Ako nagsakay sa isang sasakyan, Your Honor. Tapos si Ortonio po nagsakay sa isang sasakyan, Your Honor.
Kaya saan kayo nagpunta after that?
Nagpunta po kami sa office po ng OBP.
Office of the Vice President. Anong
Sa-
oras kayo dumating doon? If at all?
Mga nakaabot mi dito mga 4.
Umabot kami doon
plus
at 4.
konti.
Okay, 4 or 4 o'clock ng konti?
4 plus ng
4 plus
hapon.
ng hapon. 4 plus ng hapon. Who assisted you, kung meron man, in transferring the bags from the cars to the office of the Vice President? Kung meron man.
Pagdating ko doon sa Port Lord, Your Honor, sa office po kasi namin, meron pong talagang naka-duty na mga BPSPG.
Mhm.
So, nang naka-arrive na kami sa fourth floor, Your Honor, open ang car, tapos nakita ng BSPG na nag-action ako na kunin ang bag. Nakita nila na dili ko kaya. Tumulong po ang dalawang BPSPG, Your Honor,
Mhm.
na ang bag makuha doon sa sasakyan, tapos ilagay namin sa trolley.
And then,
Tapos, sakay na kami, Your Honor, sa elevator na hindi tao ang sumasakay. Ano yung service elevator, Your
Service
Honor.
elevator.
Sakay
Okay,
na
now.
kami.
saan nyo dinala yung pera?
Dinala ko po sa aking extension office, Your
Extension
Honor.
office.